Hello, fabulous world. Welcome back to Mrs. Leefatt Teach. We are going to continue our lesson on exponents in this lesson. Remember, we are writing numbers using exponents, but we're going to just add some more numbers to the problem. And remember, let's do a little review. An exponent is the number that tells how many times a base number is used as a factor. And let's look at our example. All right, we have 10 to the first power. The 10 is the base number and the 1 is the exponent. And the exponent tells the base number how many times it's going to be used as a factor. So this exponent tells the base number, well, it's only one time you're going to be used as a factor. So 10 to the first power is equal to 10. But we are going to add a whole number, multiply a whole number times a multiple of 10 with an exponent. So let's use 3 times 10 to the first power as the first example. Okay, so 3 is our whole number, 10 is our base number, and 1 is our exponent. So the 1 tells the 10 how many times it should be used as a base number. How many times? That's right, 1 time. So 3 times 10 to the first power is the same as 30. Same as 3 times 10. And 3 times 10 equals 30. Now, if you get a little bit confused about your multiplication, you can always use the trick that I've been talking about, which is box your 0 so you can see your basic facts. So 3 times 1 equals to 3. And how many times did you box that 0? 1 time. That's right. And so I put down the 0 because we only boxed 1 0. So 3 times 1 equals 3. And 1 0, you write the 1 0 down. That's 30. Just in case you get a little confused, you can use that trick to help you out. All right? Okay. Now let's use another example. So we're going to keep the 3, the whole number 3. And this time we're going to multiply it by 10 to the second power. All right? Which one is the exponent and which one is the base number? Yes. So let me get my little pointer here. 2 is the what? Exponent. And 10 is the what? The base number. You're paying quite the attention, aren't you? Yes. So smart. So how many times does this 2 tell the 10 to multiply or to be used as a factor? And remember, factor means to multiply, right? That's right, twice. So we are going to multiply this 10 2 times. So 10 times 10 equals to what? Yes, equals to 100. All right, so we're going to take our whole number, write it down, and we're going to multiply by 100 because we did 10 to the second power, which is the same as 10 times 10. So 3 times 100 equals how much? 300, you said? You are absolutely correct. 300. What do we do if we get a little bit confused? You can box those 2 zeros so you can see the basic facts. So 3 times 1 equals 3. And how many zeros did you box? 2 zeros. 1, 2. So just write the 2 zeros after the 3. And so that's 300. Should we do one more? Yeah, let's do one more. All right, let's do 3 times 10 to the third power. All right, 3 times 10 to the third power. Okay, so what's the exponent? Yes, the exponent is 3. You're paying attention. Oh my goodness. And what's the base number? That's right. 10 is the base number. So how many times did the exponent tell the 10 to use as a factor? 3 times. That's right. So it's 10 times 10 times 10. And that is equal to 1,000. You know, you've been paying attention in this lesson. All right. And so we're going to go back to our problem. We have our whole number 3. Let's write that down. We're going to multiply it by 1,000 because that's our answer to our exponents, 10 to the third power. Our exponent tells the 10, multiply and use 10, the base number, as a factor 3 times. And we know that 10 times 10 times 10 equals 1,000. So 3 times 1,000 equals, what do you say? I hear you loud and clear. 3,000. That's right. And remember, if you ever get confused, you can always box up these zeros so you can see your basic fact, 3 times 1, which equals to 3, and you boxed how many zeros? 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. And that equals to 3,000. So let's circle our answers. 3 times 10 to the first power, again, that's 30. 3 times 10 to the second power, that's 300. And 3 times 10 to the third power, that's right, it's 3,000. And that's how we use exponents. Okay? We were writing numbers using exponents. Thank you for visiting me today. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day, Will. See you next time.